If you're looking for help fixing your flare gas fireplace, look no further. Our comprehensive Flare Gas Fireplace repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. Troubleshooting fireplace problems will not only improve the overall look and efficiency but also make it much safer. Fireplaces that aren't properly maintained can be a tremendous fire hazard, causing all sorts of property damage, injury, and in extreme cases death. When looking at your fireplace, always look at the two most obvious parts first, the pilot light and the thermocouple or thermopile. If you think you are having condensation or heat issues related to the flue, try getting a certified chimney sweep to check out your system. Not only should you have one of these come out to inspect your fireplace annually, but you should spend a little time a couple of times a year keeping it clean. Is the pilot light functioning? One of the biggest problems associated with gas fireplaces is related to the pilot light. Oftentimes a pilot light won't turn on, resulting in absolutely zero flames happening in your fireplace. A pilot light that doesn't glow blue is also a problem, as this means it is not getting hot enough. This piece is found on just about any gas appliance as it is the primary ignition source. To check if it is doing its job, just open the vent and look to see if there is a small flame inside. If it is out, you might just need to merely relight it with a match or a lighter. Special types of extended match holders and long lighters specialize in just this sort of thing. If it doesn't stay on despite relighting, or if the flame is burning too cool, then you probably have a more serious problem on your hands. For instance, excess moisture can build up in the gas line. All you have to do is go to the gas meter and find the T, drain the capped pipe that holds the moisture. If this doesn't work, you may just need to clean it. If you continue to have lighting issues past this, you may need to take a closer look at the thermocouple or thermopile. Check the thermocouple or thermopile. Both the thermocouple and thermopile are used to generate electricity to light the fire and be a general sensor for the temperature. If either of these things malfunction, then the pilot light will not be able to do its job. The thermocouple is often found in older gas fireplaces, and the number one issue related to these is that they aren't hooked up correctly or not properly secured. Check the wires, screws, and tubing to see if everything is in the proper places. Thermopiles are a bit newer and are often found in the latest models of gas fireplaces. Because they generate electricity that is measured in millivolts, they are often called millivolt generators. Like their predecessor, their main problem is usually that they aren't hooked up correctly or have loose wiring. Replacement of these is difficult and should only be done when all other issues related to the fireplace are resolved. Airflow and chimney issues. Unless you have a ventless gas fireplace, you should have some sort of chimney attached. All chimneys, regardless of what they are attached to, act on a simple principle: hot air rises, while cooler air drops. Gas fireplaces, if they ever are producing smoke, can come from numerous areas: improper log alignment, dirty burners, misaligned screen, or negative air pressure within the home. Sometimes the issue can be with the chimney, stopping the warmer leftover gas from leaving the fireplace properly. Higher efficiency models actually have an issue that less efficient ones don't, in that there isn't enough heat being radiated through the flue, resulting in lower flue temperature. This can result in condensation building up inside the chimney itself. It is recommended to have a certified chimney sweep who is familiar with gas models look at your fireplace at least once a year so they can prevent these problems. It is important to keep in mind that when starting a gas fireplace, it may be necessary to slightly open a window or door for the first few minutes of lighting the fireplace to release any negative pressure within the home. This will allow the heat to rise and force the fireplace to draw.